Tiny, no, not
Hello, Jokers!
Hi, little again.
Yeah, again. Don't ask why we're saying again. Yeah.
He's not going flames.
But today we are doing Airplane 4, and we're gonna kind of do a roleplay, so, hi.
Tiny,
So, let's go.
come.
Hello. Hi, what's your name? Bluefeather 2029. This is my, dad, Blue Coat Boy 2020, and my little sister, Unicorn in the War 16. Okay, yes, go through. Okay, we're in game.
Let's get in.
Come on, guys, let's sit down. It's okay.
It's just 3 players. This is no private server. It's just 3 players.
I hope we don't die. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're done with that cutscene. Anyways, now let's get on to the real game. Boo!
I'm sitting here. Oh, that's
Oh. Yes, my little sister just got a badge. Woo!
Too, but it's a long time ago.
It's been a long time since we played an airplane story. Dad, wakey, eggs and bakey. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today is the big day. What's going on? I have no idea what's going on, actually. Let me remind you. We are flying to the Rohamas. Get down here. Go find Dad. I can't move. But Blue Coat Boy is my dad.
You can't jump down.
Yeah, we'll die. Come on, Tiny, let's go down. Why were we in the boys' room? Come on.
Okay.
Oh my, none of you have done your baggage. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before breakfast is not going to the trip.
But I'm not going to pink room.
I will start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. But how do you package your stuff?
Pink. No.
I really want to go to the trip.
You should pack.
What are we going to do?
Pack.
Yeah.
I
I don't even remember where my clothes are.
This room.
Tiny, you don't know. Okay, here's what we were going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing.
I will get a hat,
Okay.
shoes, this, and this.
Are you grabbing stuff?
This.
But boy, we need to explore first.
Well, guys, where are you?
We need to explore. Tiny, go upstairs and explore. It's okay, go upstairs, silly Billy. How do you get the clothes?
It's your bag.
Do you have anything in your bag?
Nope. We gotta wait until the timer goes out. This. We gotta wait until the timer goes out.
Okay, guys. Time to start packing.
I'll get a cookie short.
Let's go.
And nothing.
Okay, I'm gonna pack a shirt.
And nothing.
Of course I have to pack this shirt.
I have a wet short.
Okay. Now I need to get some shoes.
Where did my go?
I don't know. Go find it. Let's see. I need
I buy cookie short.
so let me bag anything else.
Oh, we only get a short. Short and shoes. And toys. No, not like this.
Okay. Tiny, quick. You gotta go in Blue Room and find your lightning shirt, okay? Okay, I got my... Going to Blue Room and find a lightning shirt, okay?
Okay.
Go over there. Get a lightning shirt, silly Billy.
I got shoes.
Go get that shirt. Now go downstairs. Put it downstairs.
Chemicals out.
Wait, you want me to help you?
Yeah. What is the white thing?
I don't know actually. I think it's a bracelet.
Daddy, I got it.
Oh no, go quick. Oh no, you lose health. That's okay.
A cookie shop.
You need to find a cookie shirt. Here, you go upstairs and find a cookie shirt, okay?
It's in the blue room.
I need to find an airplane shirt.
Oh, that's in the blue room.
And pink room.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I got my shirt. I got my shirt. Tiny. Okay, get cookie shirt.
I got it.
You got it. Now we need to hurry.
Why? Cookie shop.
I can't control the lap boy.
I can't.
You don't know how to move. Never mind.
I don't have to move on computer. I cannot use anything else.
I wasn't. Burgers are almost ready.
He bombed one.
Yeah. Or were we supposed to look like that? Let's go to the backyard. Whoa! What just happened?
Whoa. We got our luggage.
Get out of pool!
Burgers.
What do we do now?
IDK.
Woo!
Wait, this is the drain. Is here.
Really?
Yeah. Whoa.
Huh?
What? The secret badge. That's the secret badge.
Where?
This is the question mark. We can go in the drain of the pool. Cool.
We got secret one. Dad, help! I'm drowning. Ah. Me.
Who wants a burger? Me. I love burgers.
I do. I'm so hungry. All right, sit on the picnic table. All right, whoever wants one, sit. Take a seat on the picnic table. Smiley face. La 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 la. Oops. You ready, guys? One for Blue Cool Boy 2020. One for Blue Flower 2029. One for Unicorn in the War 16.
That's all. This is our private server.
Yeah, boy, I know. Hello, everyone. We are back on Block C States News. Me too. Oh, it's the radio. I hope there's no monsters. Earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane. Whoa! Can you imagine saving a plane? We saved a plane like a month ago. However, the president said in conference, as we landed, the suspect and my fly disappeared. The police warned everyone in Robloxy to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? Yeah.
I'm going to go on the
Oh
train.
my! Look at time. At the time. We are running late to our flight.
Let's go, Dad.
Tiny, come on.
There's no way there.
Unless... Tiny, get out of water, quick. Because we need to go. Follow Dad. Get out of water, silly Billy. Let's follow Dad. We're going to airport. Again. I have a bad feeling about this. No, come on. You're going to miss it. Are you excited?
Whoa! open this?
Dad, let me open it. The garage?
I'm going to open
Wait for it. Wait. I present you your very own small plane.
To drive.
Which one's yours?
Oh. I'm going in mine.
Tiny, get in your plane.
This one?
No, go in your plane. We get to fly to the airport and catch another plane. That's funny. It's a lot more fun than walking. Yeah. I can't wait. Now, we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat.
We're already on all of our planes.
We're already on our planes, right, Dad? Yeah.
Hi, Daddy. Dad.
Yeah.
Whee! Plane, Dad.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'll see you guys in the other side.
He's going to drop. He's going to walk there.
Wait! We don't even know how to fly these. How do you fly? We'll have to find out. Just be careful with the
because I had the jet on there, but
obstacles.
the
Boy, it's different.
obstacles.
Well, let's go. How do you go up?
Those arrows.
Tiny, go up. Tiny, you gotta move. Tiny, use arrows, okay? Tiny. Ugh. He doesn't listen.
Yeah, that's why you should not play with balls.
It's okay, Tiny. Tiny, you lasted so long. Ow, me die. Me almost die. Wait.
I
Dad.
died! Ugh. I hate this game. Hey!
Me gonna die. You want me die?
I hate that game.
Boy, it's because you're still new to it. I'm unfriending you forever.
No.
Tiny, hold on. And I'm gonna unfriend you forever. Boy, so. Ugh, I'm bored. Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's in her private solo.
Anyways, that's all for today's video. Sorry if it was a little short. My brother and sister are apparently being a little cuckoo. Anyways, if you guys like this video, get me to 200 likes, 1,000 subscribers, the notification bell, and I will see you later. Peace out. Bye.
Bye.
Tiny, say bye. Tiny, say bye.